said I wish you could zoom. Right?
The thing that's so exciting about roller derby is it can change within minutes. 1 minute you're in the lead, next minute you're behind.
The game has begun.
And the jammers are off.
Go on, Charlotte!
And she's through! Plymouth Jammer is through. And Romsey Jammer's trying to make up the time.
Charlotte did that.
Test Monkey testing her skills on the track.
No chance. That big one against that little one. Go on, Charlotte!
Easy fists.
And she's whipped. She's whipped it. Whoop-ha!
Good girl.
That's a hip whip.
Do the hip whip.
Do the hip whip. And she's pulled it off.
I didn't see the hip whip and I've watched the replay.
She did it on Charlotte around here.
Romsey Roller Girls time out. Roller Girls have called time out.